Hello guys, welcome back to PS Home Interiors. My name is Ashley and in today's video we will be at Danielle's house revamping her porch for the fall. So stay tuned.
So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking.
Say hi.
It's fall!
Do some work, bro. Why you sitting there? Do some work.
So Danielle got the idea for this fall porch wreath from a Instagram influencer named Maria Blackwell. So shout out to Maria Blackwell for the inspiration. So we are taking chicken wire and we will be stapling it to the post and we will be weaving in fall garlands to recreate the look from Instagram.
Strings, unable to bend, I never listened. Trying to prove it, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shy.
So although it's October in Arizona, it is still very hot out here. So you will see that Danielle has a wardrobe change because she got all sweaty.
In too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
So Danielle was able to purchase these fall garlands from Hobby Lobby. I believe they were $13.99, but they were half price. I think she purchased 9 and we're just taking them and zip tying them to the chicken wire to create a very full fall look. I think it turned out really well. I love it. Every time I go to her house, I just stay outside for a little bit and admire it, you know, looking at our work and the things that she was able to create. It looks really beautiful and ready for fall.
Leave your shirt on the floor. There's no reason to get up.
So after we finished hanging all the garland, we noticed that there were still some spots in some areas where the chicken wire was visible. So Danielle, one of her sons, ended up breaking one of her floral arrangements inside of her house, which was a blessing in disguise, kind of. We were able to take those fall flowers and sunflowers and things and weave them into the gaps and then just use some zip ties to secure them and fill the gaps. And also it gave a different look and it made it feel more cohesive as we were able to, you know, change the look and it wasn't all just leaves.
Breakfast in bed, pour the coffee and kiss me. We are both skipping work. Oh, there's a bird singing loud in the palm trees on the beach laying next to your building, and the ocean is singing even louder.
So the dogs joined us today. The schnauzer that you see, that is Danielle's family dog. Her name is Bella. And then you will see a red poodle. That is my dog. His name is Troy. We lovingly call them freaking frack. They're always together and getting into stuff. So Danielle decided to switch out her wreath. However, the wreath that she found in her garage did not work for the space, so we ended up going to Home Goods a little bit later, and she was able to find a better wreath that was also bigger to accommodate her door. Here we're just putting everything back. Danielle's taking you guys to the gun show. Putting everything back, and we're going to wipe down the furniture and get everything squared away. Guys, don't be like Danielle. Wipe your furniture down more than twice a year. Danielle also purchased this grapevine pumpkin from Hobby Lobby. I believe it was $34.99 or $49.99. The welcome mat she also purchased from Hobby Lobby. It was $19.99. Everything was half off. So that sums up today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed being on Danielle's front porch with us. We had a lot of fun, and we hope that you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let